In this video tutorial, we will be adding a remote control to the LZ G62 alarm. Please note that when you purchase the alarm system, all the accessories are already paired to the alarm system. That includes the PIRs, the door sensor, and the remotes. So in this video, we are going to pair a remote to the alarm system. Access the menu by pressing 1234#.
Please enter instructions.
Then press 21#.
Remote control coding.
It is now asking to pair a remote control. All you do is press a button on any button on the remote control.
Coding come through.
You can see it's moved over to 2, so if you have a second remote control, this is when you can press the second remote control buttons to pair it. If you've got a third one, you can press the button on that third remote control to pair it. Once you have paired your remote controls, you can then press * to exit out of the menu.
Please enter instructions.
* again. And to make sure that your remote control is working, you can test the buttons on the remote control.
System on. System disarm.